Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to create a new account for VeraWallet. To sign up for VeraWallet, first of all go ahead and open a web browser. Now in the URL box type in verawallet.io and search. You will then find yourself in the official website for VeraWallet. From the home page, go to the top right corner and click the sign up button. Now, you will need to start creating your account by entering your information. Select your language from the first drop down and then enter a valid email address in the next field. Also make sure to create a strong password in the password tab. After you have done filling in the details, click on I agree and click the create account button. To move forward, you will then need to verify your email address. A verification code will be sent to your registered email. Simply go ahead and open up a new tab and log into your email services inbox. Open up the email received from VeraWallet and copy the code that you received inside it. Now get back to VeraWallet's tab and paste in the verification code that you just copied and click on submit. Now go ahead and use your authenticator app, that can be Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, Twilio Authy, to scan this QR code for easy two-factor authentication setup. Simply go ahead and open up any Google Authenticator app that has been mentioned on the screen right here and simply find the scanner and then scan the QR code that has been displayed on the page. Now after you have done that, click on the next button. In the authentication code tab, enter the authentication code that has just been generated from your authenticator app for VeraWallet and click done. Now you can save the copy of this secret key so that you will be able to restore your account in the future. You can click on the copy button and paste in the key in somewhere safe, or you can also click on save the code, which will then download the code on your computer. After you have done that, click on go to complete account. Now enter the personal information that has been asked on the page. Make sure to enter the information that can be confirmed in official documents. Start off by typing in your first name, your last name, enter your date of birth information. You can select it from the calendar or you can manually enter it on the screen. Now, select your country of residence on the next field. After selecting the country, enter your more details such as your phone number or your postal code, etc. and finally click on submit. You will then be able to see that you have this page displayed on the screen. You can choose between main wallet or staking wallet, and that's it. You have created a new account. The main wallet is primarily used for holding, sending, and receiving your cryptocurrencies. It acts as your primary balance or storage within the app, whereas the staking wallet is dedicated to staking your cryptocurrency, which involves locking up a certain amount of crypto in the wallet to help support the blockchain network, and in return, you may earn rewards. You can also use the two different wallets together, that is transferring from the main wallet to staking wallet or transferring from staking wallet to main wallet. Having both wallets allows you to easily manage your assets by separating funds for immediate use from those designated for staking. So that is how you can easily create a new account for VeraWallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.